Verbs vocabulary for everyday life. Run. He runs 3 miles every day. Clean. She cleans her house every Saturday. Cook. He can cook a delicious lasagna. Read. I like to read novels in my free time. Talk. We talk on the phone every weekend. Think. I need some time to think about it. Listen. Please listen to the music I recommended. Work. I work as a teacher in a local school. Drink. She drinks water to stay hydrated. Shop. We go shopping for groceries on Sundays. Eat. I eat breakfast every morning. Sleep. They sleep for 8 hours every night. Dance. We dance at weddings and parties. Play. The children love to play in the park. Write. She writes in her journal before bed. Sing. She sings beautifully in the choir. Watch. I watch movies on Friday nights.